Come to think of it, I have never invoked Rachel. I guess there's always a first time. Wangwana, decisions about your life are being made every day without you being at the table. Itakubidi uwe kwa meza maamuzi yakifanywa. 30-day mass voter registration begins 4th October 2021. Usiachwe nyuma. Kijana, changamkia hiyo kura. Juu kaa hauko. Take your place at the table. Safisha rada. Jisajili. Hello, how are you guys? Mambo? Very good, very good. Asante. Safisha rada. Jisajili.